What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam. This is Vancity Audi, and I have a very special video for you guys. My wife and I just celebrated our 4th wedding anniversary, and in a month's time, she is actually celebrating her 40th birthday. So I went behind her back, have been lying to her for months, planning something special for her. Just wanted to give you guys a disclaimer before this video. My wife is extremely camera shy. I have been begging her to do videos, trying to get her on the channel, but it's not her cup of tea. So she's doing me a favor by letting me film this. We're headed out from Vancouver, BC to drive to Audi Kelowna, where my buddy Ryan Wicks is expecting us. He has put together a little bit of a special package for her from me for our anniversary, for her 40th birthday present, and she has absolutely no idea. So we're gonna be filming the whole thing. I'll get you some action shots as we drive up the beautiful drive from Vancouver to Kelowna, and then I'll also get the reveal. I'll get her genuine, honest-to-God reactions of this entire process, because she is not expecting anything but a standard delivery of her new Audi. Enjoy, guys.
Get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks up in the sleeve. One wrong move, I'ma let out the big shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run till he step out the crease. When the whole place scream, gotta get out the
We have arrived here at Audi Kelowna to pick up wifey's new car. What kind of Audi is it though? You're gonna have to wait and see. I have had a lot of help here from Ryan Wicks, the GM, and Dylan, one of their sales guys, to make sure that this delivery goes as smoothly and as perfectly as possible. We're gonna walk around the building, have a quick conversation with my wife, figure out exactly what she was looking for with what she ordered, what she's hoping to do with the car, and then we'll unveil it for all of you to see. Ooh, it's all fancy and hidden. All right. You're so tiny beside me. So here we have my beautiful, wonderful wife, Sarah. This is the car that you ordered. You haven't had a premium vehicle before. This will be the first one that you've owned. So I take it you're pretty excited?
Ecstatic.
You can tell she's just overjoyed. So tell the viewers kind of what you were thinking, what you want to do to the car. We've gone over this so many times about the different little modifications and stuff you want to do, and maybe just provide a quick list of some of the ideas that you had so they get an idea of what you were thinking you wanted to do to the car.
I really just wanted a black vehicle.
Yeah.
And to have all the badges black too. So,
okay.
Yeah.
We talked about also, I think you wanted black wheels.
Mm-hmm.
You wanted, basically she wants a thug wagon, as hardcore as you can get. Black on black on black.
Yeah.
So you're about to see what she's gonna have now. Her new daily, her first Audi, her first premium vehicle. But there's something I need to tell you before that.
Uh-oh.
I've been lying to you for months. My friends here at Audi Kelowna, with the help of Ryan Wick, the GM, as well as Dylan, have done a few mods to the car already. You excited to see this? You have any idea that I did this?
No.
Is it just like when we got engaged at Barbados again? She had no idea what I proposed to her in Barbados that I was going to propose. So you have absolutely no idea what has changed with the vehicle.
It's not the same car I ordered.
I wish.
Yeah.
You want to check it out?
Yeah.
All right. Dylan, Ryan, do your best.
Here we go.
That is awesome.
You want to walk around?
So nice. What? Wow.
Oh, baby. 19-inch black wheels. Exactly what you wanted from Audi Kelowna. You can thank Ryan for those ones.
Is this why you were so hesitant on everything that I asked?
This is why I was hesitant on everything.
Oh man.
So take a look, everything you wanted, all blacked out, black on black on black. We got the badges on for you. She didn't.
Can we zoom in on?
Oh, we certainly can. Requested, only my wife. The Parks plates with the googly bears on, or the googly eyes on the Spirit Bear. Did you have any idea?
No. I'm speechless.
So one of the other things that we had done is if you want to take the back of your hand without any jewelry on it, take your ring off.
Gladly.
Back of your hand and give this a nice touch.
Is it already coated?
The entire car has already been professionally coated by Gold Coast Automotive.
Yikes.
It has one of the long-term ceramic coats on. It's not one of those 1 year and redo. It's for the lifetime of the vehicle. So Oskar from Gold Coast Automotive is going to join us here and tell you a little bit about what he did to your car. No idea whatsoever? Everything that you wanted, everything that we discussed has already been done to the car. You have all black badges. You have all the chrome removed. The S-line chrome badges were removed. The Quattro that had chrome in it were removed. You have your googly eyes. We have black Audi license plate frames. You have the black wheels. You have black tinted windows. Don't know if you noticed that. They're actually tinted the same darkness as both of my car. So you have really dark tint in the back so you can get up to no good. You and Ziggy can party back there and no one will be able to see you. So we'll wait for Oskar to pop by. Then he can tell you about the ceramic coating.
What's up everyone, my name is Oskar, I'm from Gold Coast Automotive. We did a ceramic paint coating on this vehicle. We applied the OptiCoat Pro, which is a 5-year guarantee ceramic paint coating with a lifetime option on it as well. We also ceramic coated the wheels on the vehicle. We did all the glass, all the trim, the plastic trim has been done as well. And we always do all the door jambs in the vehicle, make that cleaning a lot easier. Your lights, headlights, taillights get done as well. Audi asked us to install these black badges and emblems in the vehicle as well, and debadge the Quattro and S-line badges on the side. So with the ceramic coating applied, your benefits are better depth for paint, the glossier finish on the paint, but it also cleans up a lot easier. It will not let that dirt, road grime, tar stick to the vehicle as easy. It will look like this for years to come. You don't have to polish it, you don't have to wax it. You just simply do a maintenance detail with Optimum No Rinse or even soap will do the job. And that's all you got to do, and it's up to you to keep it looking great.
So we both shared a few tears off camera. You were very surprised and had no idea.
Yeah, correct.
Did I miss anything?
Well, you pointed it out, but a Quattro badge.
Yes, one thing. Damn it! I thought I had perfected it, but the one thing that I missed was this damn Quattro badge. There's still a little silver on the car. I can never do anything right. Ziggy, this is your debut performance. What are you gonna do for us? Anything special? That's it? Good girl. Yeah! This is Ziggy. She is our rescue from Korea. We've had her for 4 months now. She's been a couple of the videos already, but just sitting in the side of the B8 S4 and not actually involved. So she came out with us to Kelowna as well. Ryan Wicks, Dylan, gentlemen, thank you so much for making this happen. I could not have done it without you. An amazing job. She was blown away. We're both in tears. She's super happy. Wasn't shown on camera, but she's super happy. If you wouldn't mind coming out and then she could thank you guys, I'd be really appreciative.
Our pleasure. We got a little buddy here.
Yeah.
This is a guard dog?
Yes.
Matches the car.
She is very good.
Matches the car.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I'm speechless.
Excellent.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
We realized that, or not we, I realized I missed one thing.
Well,
The damn Quattro badge.
it was actually by design a little bit.
Really?
Because if we remove it, and we have removed it before,
Yeah.
there's actually a bracket that sits in behind it.
Oh.
And it's more of an eyesore than that.
All right.
Yeah, so we're gonna just leave that on. I was gonna talk to you a little bit about it, on what we could do. Obviously, we could make that badge black, but
Okay.
It's like 2 extra holes that sit in the bumper, and yeah, I thought it looked a little bit better looking like that.
I'd have to agree with you then. Thank you.
No worries.
So we got the big unveil all done. Sarah was blown away and super excited with what I did to the car for her. Just gonna walk you through it. We put on some very, very cool 19-inch wheels from Audi Kelowna. Thank you so much, Ryan, for that. With some matching Audi caps. He knows my style. We have something I forgot to mention already. We have dash cams, front and rear, that we installed for her. We have the back 5 windows tinted, 5% tint all the way around, so she can be as thug life as she can possibly get. We have blacked out badges all throughout the car. We actually removed the Quattro badge, not a fan of that little chrome badge. We got the Parks with the Parks license plate. We got the googly eyes on the Spirit bar. That is her favorite thing right there. We got a Audi license plate frame. I think that pretty much wraps it up, except the front of the car will go up to the front. And in the front, we have the blacked out rings. Again, the same matching plate, the same frame. And the one thing that I missed, the Quattro badge. Damn it! It has been a stellar experience here at Audi Kelowna. I am always blown away at the customer service I receive here. Yes, I am friends with the GM, but I have got such amazing customer service from all of their staff who don't even know me. I'm just someone coming off the street. Everyone's always eager to help me and always make sure I am taken care of. There's a little piece de resistance on this sale too. Dylan, who works here, I introduced him earlier, was giving my wife a walk around, showing her how the car works, and he opens up the trunk and what do we see? They even hooked us up with a little wine. Gonna have some fun tonight with the wife. Look at this, what service. I am super, super impressed with Audi Kelowna. So as I mentioned in the opening to this video, something that you don't even know that I filmed yet, we just celebrated our 4th wedding anniversary, and it is a month away from your 40th birthday.
Wow.
So happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy wedding anniversary. I hope you like it, and hopefully guys, cross your fingers, she'll let me do some fun stuff to it maybe? Get it on the channel in a few videos possibly?
Perhaps.
Perhaps we have a chance. Thank you so much for watching. A huge thanks to Audi Kelowna for this amazing, amazing customer service experience that we received. Thank you to everyone involved, and thank you to you.
Thank you.
Love you lots.
Love you too.
Take care, guys.